Hey guys, in today's Canva tutorial I will show you two possibilities to blur background in Canva. Like you see right here, the first possibility is to blur the whole background or the whole background image, and the second possibility is to blur the background of an image so you have a portrait effect or autofocus effect. And to do so we are starting with a new file in Canva. So we are going with a presentation file like this one, and now we need some images, so we can go to apps and we can search for photos, or you already have photos right here if you opened it in some previous project, and we can click on photos and we can search for pattern, for example, to get some background. For example, this one we can make it a bit bigger and center it and put some text above, for example this one, and we can type in blur background if you want to. Blur background, make it bigger, center it, and ungroup and delete this group right here. So we only want this text. You can center it as well. And now to blur this background, this image, we have to click on it. We have to go to edit photo, and then we have under effects, we have the possibility to click on blur, what we need to do, and then we can choose the intensity we want to have. So for example, as you can see, this is a very soft blur with 10, and if we go to 100 we have 100% blur. We can also go with 60%, for example, and we can also type in, so we don't need to use this feature right here. We can type in, for example, 50 and click enter to do so. We can edit it anytime, so we can click again on it, edit photo, and right here on this adjustment icon and adjust it, and we can also go on remove blur to remove it. And the second possibility is to use autofocus, so to get a portrait effect. So in this case we are going to photos again. We are now searching for a portrait, for example, portrait like this one, and we're seeing it is already a little bit blurred, but we can use the effect now to blur it even more. We can go to edit photo, and then we need to go to effects and use autofocus, and again we have some adjustments we can use. We can change the blur intensity, for example, to 70%, but we can also type in, for example, 100%, and we can adjust it anytime by going to edit photo again and clicking right here on the adjustment icon, or going to remove autofocus to remove the autofocus. And yeah, that's gonna do for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next video, and bye.